Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Kaspersky Antivirus free trial version. So for downloading it, you have to open any web browser. So now here inside the web browser, search here for the Kaspersky Antivirus download. So here you can see Kaspersky free trial is showing. Now click on it. So now scroll down and here is a button on download free trial. So click on it. So here is a button, try 30 days for free. Click on it. So here you have to fill the form. So after filling this form, you can download the Kaspersky absolutely for free for 30 days. So this is how you can download Kaspersky. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.